All right, picture this. You're on a luxury cruise, just having the time of your life, right? But then, a mysterious illness strikes. Out of nowhere, 7 people fall severely ill, and within just a few days, 3 are dead and another is in critical condition. It got so bad that the World Health Organization literally had to launch an urgent investigation, and their prime suspect? It's an unseen killer we call the Hantavirus.
So what exactly is this virus? Well, it's a lethal pathogen that uses a super insidious carrier, just your ordinary everyday rodents. We're talking rats and mice. And the crazy part is, they carry it without even getting sick themselves. They're basically acting like these healthy little Trojan horses, secretly shedding live virus all over our environments through their urine, feces, and saliva.
Now, you might be assuming that you need a rat bite to catch it, right? Nope, you don't. The real danger actually lies in the dust. Most human infections happen simply because people inhale aerosolized particles. Basically, when that infected rodent waste dries out, the virus becomes completely airborne. You just disturb that dust a little bit, and boom, you breathe it straight into your lungs.
And once it's inside you, it manifests in 2 truly horrifying ways. One variant goes completely rogue and aggressively attacks your organs, causing severe internal bleeding and kidney failure. The other one? It totally bypasses the kidneys and mounts this catastrophic attack directly on your respiratory system.
When doctors look at chest x-rays for that respiratory variant, the hazy white areas they see are actually massive fluid buildup. The virus causes the lungs to literally fill up with liquid. It is terrifying. Patients are essentially suffocating from the inside out, just desperately struggling for every single breath.
And here is the absolute scariest part. With no specific cure and no targeted antiviral drugs available, the stakes are terrifyingly high. Doctors really just have to support the patient and hope their body manages to fight it off. Because of this, the mortality rate for that severe lung variant, it can reach a staggering 40 to 50%. Yeah, almost half.
So why exactly is the WHO so terrified of this popping up on a cruise ship? Because usually, you catch this from cleaning out a dusty barn, not from your cabin mate. Well, there's a super rare strain from South America called the Andes strain, and it is uniquely capable of spreading directly from person to person. A highly lethal, highly transmissible strain on a confined ship. That is literally an absolute worst-case scenario.
Okay, so how do you actually protect yourself? Listen carefully to this. If you ever see mouse droppings, never, and I mean never, sweep or vacuum them. Sweeping just kicks that deadly dust right up into the air for you to breathe. Instead, what you gotta do is spray the area heavily with a wet disinfectant. Wait 5 full minutes, let it sit. Finally, put some gloves on and wipe it all up with a wet paper towel.
Seriously, take the time to seal up the cracks in your house, properly store your food, and definitely share this explainer with your friends and family. It could literally save a life. Because the next time you go to casually sweep out a dusty, forgotten corner of your garage, you really have to ask yourself, what exactly are you breathing in?